Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to solve tricky math problems using ChatGPT. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type chat.openai.com. If you haven't logged in yet, then I suggest that you log in first. To harness ChatGPT's mathematical prowess, you need to express your problems in a clear and concise manner. Think of it as explaining the challenge to a fellow student or a math-savvy friend. The more straightforward and organized your input, the better your chances of getting a spot-on solution. So, I'll just paste here my math problem, and as you can see, it is now helping us solve our math problem. So, whether you are wrestling with algebraic mysteries or seemingly straightforward problems that have you scratching your head, ChatGPT can be your mathematical ally. Just remember to present your questions crisply and let ChatGPT untangle the knots and reveal the beauty of math in action. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.